Hello guys, so originally I wanted to make this video a long time ago, but I wanted to make this video because it might be helpful for some of you out there. The main idea of this video is to show you a project me and my friends are having right now. We're involved on, and that is go-kart. It's a gasoline go-kart under 250 bucks, everything new. So we got this idea that we would build three go-karts with the same engines, same tires, same sprocket, um, pretty much the same mechanical components, and each one of us would make his own design, and we would race each other to see which design was better and who was the better driver. So the go-karts are nearly done, so I wanted to show you some of the process we've been through. We've been buying stuff, especially from China, the sprockets, the chain from Amazon, and all the metal parts are from our local metal store. So the cost right now, with everything added, it's about 200 bucks, and we still have some things left, but I think we'll be able to finish it under 250 bucks. I'll show you some of the footage I've taken of us building the go-kart. Okay, so this is the frame, what I have already done. So the live axle, you already saw the video of. It's bolted through the pillow bearings. Here are the pillow bearings to these. There are two tubes that were bended in a mirror. So it's one tube, it bends, and it bends outwards, and it comes and it's welded at this point. And then the two tubes are united with this little tube here. It's welded, and they're also united by the live axle. I'm also gonna put a tube welded from here to there as a rear bumper. The seat is gonna be there. The front tires are gonna be mounted here at this point. There's two of them. They're symmetrical.